In this video, I will show you how to block someone on Facebook. Blocking someone on Facebook helps stop unwanted interactions, hateful messages, harassment, or bullying. If you no longer want someone to contact you, see your profile, or interact with your account, then this video is for you. Open the Facebook app, then search for the person you want to block, whether it's a friend, your ex, or someone bothering you. After that, open their Facebook profile. Now on their profile page, tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner. A menu will appear on your screen. Here, tap on Block. Facebook will now show you a confirmation screen before blocking the person. It will also explain what happens after blocking. Once blocked, that person will no longer be able to see your posts or profile, invite you to events or groups, start conversations with you, or add you as a friend. Now tap on Block again to confirm. After that, the account will be blocked successfully. The blocked user will no longer appear in your Facebook search and suggestion, and both of you will not be able to contact each other through Facebook. So that's how you can block someone on Facebook. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.